Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, my name is Rofi Nur Jamil with student number 12120224 from class 2F, State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. The purpose of making this video is to fulfill English segment. Okay, here I will review a film, namely is Ayat-Ayat Cinta 1. For the first is actor or main character and supporting of Ayat-Ayat Cinta 1 movie. One movie are Fedi Nuril as Fahri bin Abdullah Siddiq, Karissa Putri as Maria Kirgiz, Rianti Ketreg S. Aisyah, Zaskia Adia Meka S. Noura Bahadur, Ginatri S. Noer, Melani Putri Dewi Tasari S. Nurul Azkia, Denis Adiswara S. Rudi, Oka Antara S. Saiful, Surya Saputra S. Iqbal, Maiki Wijara S. Ummu Fati, Marini S. Madam Nehed, Rudi Wawor S. Tuan Adel, Leroy Osmani S. Amru, and the last Amak Baljun. So I will tell synopsis of Ayat-Ayat Cinta 1. Love story with a Muslim background in life. Fahri bin Abdullah Siddiq is an Indonesian student who seek to attain his master's title in Al-Azhar. He had to deal with the various dreams and simplicity of his life in Mesir. He survived by becoming an interpreter of religious books. All Fahri's dreams were fulfilled with great enthusiasm except marriage. Fahri was such a strange man. He doesn't know dating before marriage. He's less articulate when dealing with women. There were very few women with him. During this time, his mother, his grandmother, his mother, and his sister. The trip to Mesir made the change. Fahri is Maria Kirgiz, a flat neighbor who is Christian but admires to Quran and admires to Fahri. Admiration turned to love. Sadly, Maria's love was only devoted to the diary. Then there was Nurul, the daughter of a famous Kiai who also gleaned in Al-Azhar. Actually, Fahri has a heart for this girl. Unfortunately, his low self-worth, sense that I was only the descendant of famers made him never to show anything to Nurul. As to Nurul's doubt and speculation. Afterward, there was Noura Hadabur, also a neighbor who constantly tortured her own father. Fahri fully empathized with Noura and wanted to help her. Unfortunately, it just empty, nothing more, but Noura is expecting more. And then it became a big deal when Noura accosted Fahri or raping her. The last is Aisyah, the beautiful eyes that mesmerized Fahri since an incident in the metro when Fahri defended Islam against stiff and rigid a conscience, Aisha fell in love with Fahri, and Fahri couldn't even deceive her heart. So, Ayat-Ayat Cinta movie is an Indonesia film by Hanung Bramantyo, starring Fedi Nuril, Rianti Cartwright, Carissa Dr. Zaskia Adia Meka, and Melanie Princesa. It is an adaptation of religious novel bestseller of Habibur Rahman El-Sirojis. And it is entitled Ayat-Ayat Cinta 1. And it is primed on February 28, 2008. While film and novel of Ayat-Ayat Cinta 1 tell the story of life in Cairo, Mesir, but the process of filming was not there. Bestsellers novel Ayat-Ayat Cinta 1, Habibur Rahman El-Siraji, or more familiar with Kang Abik, also explained that his wolf novel was born out of the process of this passion for science and life. So, the message of Islam as a religion of peace and tolerance is also included in this film or novel. In one of the scenes on the train, there was a rather powerful dialogue between Fahri, the main character of the film, along with Aisha, a German and Turkish journalist who wanted to give a seat to Alicia, a journalist from the United States, with her mother, who was thought to be an unbeliever by one of the Arab passengers. And then Aisha gave the Arab her seat. Aisha said, Islam teach us to do good to anyone. So Arab said, but not to them. You know what America does in Afghanistan, Palestine, Iraq? They accuse Islam of being a terrorist, even though they are the terrorists. In the middle of that argument, Fahri chimed, I'm Indonesian and you have rebelled against the messenger of God. So Arab say, what do you know about Arab suffering? Fahri said, foreigners who enter the country legally means that they are the inflight of the Zimmi protected by right and dignity. So Arab say they are not foreigners, they are terrorists in flying this. Fahri added, whosoever often a strange mean to hurt me, and whosoever harm me is to offer God. Until finally, the belt Arab with a white jacket and a bird who always spoke with a loud tone and gestically head when by shouting Allahu Akbar. This dialogue really seems to be an image of the reality of real life to a small groups of Muslim who like tolerance and view life as black and white. Finally, the shooting location took place in Jakarta and Semarang. The Franco-Belt Metro was moved to the Grand Canyon Station, Al-Azhar Library, and Talaki Hall, Mosque Al-Azhar, in Comrade Copyright Jakarta City, with Flat Fahri, Maria's Flat, and El Khalili Market are set up in the Old City and the Sewu Lawang Building, Semarang. The benefits or moral full after watching this movie are literary full. Literary full in the novel or this film was powerful, especially when Habibur Rahman told of Fahri's perseverance in a quest for knowledge. So, secondly, Habibur Rahman has managed to get these readers or his viewers to live in Mesir at Iswar. So, religious view. Ta'aruf. This novel or film Habibur Rahman teach us to a sense of ta'aruf, that ta'aruf is different from dating, because in this novel or film the main perpetrator has never dated or otherwise. This film has very strong Islamic view based on Salafi and Sufi study. In Islam itself, learning is fardu ain. It has been told her how Fahri's perseverance achieved his ideal. So, love each other for God. This is the important feel of this film. Love each other because God is represented by the dialogue between Fahri and Aisyah, which at the time Aisyah wanted to brave but was forbidden by Fahri because she feared God and did not hate one another in the next. Maybe enough from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.